Hello Dnation and welcome back to a special unbox and review episode. In this episode 6, we are going to be unboxing a set of 5 1/64th scale muscle machine cars which are manufactured by Hot Wheels. These are 5 premium muscle machine cars that piqued my interest and I grouped them together for this episode. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, for this episode I picked up 2 regular Hot Wheel cars and an original Muscle Machines 3-pack from Maisto. So let's begin by taking a look at the packaging. These Hot Wheels diecast cars come in a signature Hot Wheels card box blister packaging with all the product branding and information, and the Maisto Muscle Machine cars come in a premium window type boxing with all the product branding and information as well. And as you can see, I got myself 5 muscle machine models for this muscle machine episode. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we set these beauties free. And with that out of the way, and as we get these open, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast collectibles away from children below the age of 5, as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get these opened. Well, at first glance, these diecast muscle machines look quite premium and have a good build quality to them, and also have quite a bit of detailing to them as well. And these models are manufactured mostly of diecast and a few bits and bobs with ABS plastic, which makes them premium looking. These models have a beautiful build quality and they measure in at 2.5 inches in length, 1 inch in height, 1 inch in width, and weigh at about 90 grams on average depending on the model. These models also come with spot-on paint apps according to their color scheme and branding details, and have free rolling wheels and a lot more which make them functional and a premium collectible. So as you can see, and just so you know, these are the 5 different diecast muscle cars that I chose for this Muscle Machine series collection. And so with that being said, let's quickly run through these model names of these premium Hot Wheel cars, and let's kickstart with the Muscle Machines by Maisto. And this is the 1958 Chevrolet Impala from the Muscle Machine series by Maisto, and this classic beauty has an awesome orange and black paint job, and I love the massive block engine on this one. Overall, a classic beauty. And coming up next, we have the 1950 Ford from the Muscle Machine series by Maisto, and this car is a unique classic model and has an amazing green and yellow paint job and the signature graphics on the roof, and has retro wood panels on sides, and I love this all-time classic. And here we have the 1970 Plymouth Hemi Cuda from the Muscle Machine series by Maisto, which is made like a classic drag race muscle car, and I love the royal blue paint job and the racing decals on this one. And what sticks out the most with this captivates me is the massive blowout engine. I guess this one is my favorite of this episode. And here we have Perfect Speed, which is from the Hot Wheels Street Beast collection, and this is a one-of-a-kind all blacked out unique car, and I love the contrast on the matte black bodywork and all the chromed engine and pipes. And finally we have the chillmill, which is from the Hot Wheels City Works collection, and this is a city truck with a massive engine, and I love the hot pink paint job and the classic retro chrome on this one. And as I mentioned earlier, I'm a big fan of blowout engine muscle cars, and I decided to go with this theme for the series with maybe a few exceptions here and there. And this is just one of the 8 muscle machine episodes in this diecast muscle machine series, so stay tuned and check out some amazing, unique and premium muscle machine cars by Hot Wheels. And so with that being said, let's take a closer look and track test these muscle machine beauties and check out their bodywork and functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding these muscle machines in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with all these diecast models, and so with that being said, let's place these diecast muscle machines on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these beauties in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. Hot Wheels is a brand of diecast toys which was introduced by American toy maker Mattel in 1968. It was the primary competitor of Matchbox until 1997 when Mattel bought Tyco Toys, then owner of Matchbox. Many automobile manufacturers have since licensed Hot Wheels to make scale models of their cars, allowing the use of original design blueprints and detailing. Although Hot Wheels were originally intended for children and young adults, they have become popular with the adult collectors nowadays, for whom limited edition models are now made available, and every now and then Hot Wheels comes out with a series of premium motorcycle models as well. And for its 40th anniversary in 2008, Hot Wheels celebrated the making of its 4 billionth car with the production of a diamond-studded model worth $140,000 US. It had 2,700 diamond chips, a total of almost 23 carats, and was cast in white gold with rubies serving as taillights. And for further information on Hot Wheels, kindly check the links in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these Hot Wheel muscle machine cars that were featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy links in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these muscle car brands are your favorite. And also don't forget to check out the rest of the Hot Wheel muscle machine episodes in this playlist. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes on Hot Wheel muscle machines coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.